thank you for joining me on this very special episode of Klujcast, a channel where I'm just basically making it up as I go along.
I don't know what I'm doing, more than half of the time.
I am Matt, and with me is my project car, the BMW Z3 Roadster, which you may not have seen for a while, and this mysterious box, which comes to us all the way from the mystical lands of North Carolina. Now, this is a car part that I have been lusting after for quite a long time. It's going to increase the safety of the vehicle. It's going to enhance the rigidity perhaps a little bit, and also I'm hoping will look pretty cool, which is 90% of the reason why I do anything on this car. I promise that this is not a huge box. I am a smaller sized human being making this box seem much larger than what it really is, but one advantage that I have is that I fit conveniently into your overhead storage bins. I don't want to give away how much I spent on this car part, partly because my wife might be watching. Love you, baby. Thank you for supporting the channel. This is the first car part I've had sent to my door with a bright orange sticker telling me not to poke at it with pointy things. So I'm going to be very careful when opening this, and we'll just see how it goes. Step! I think I'm going to try to tackle it from the corners here. That seems to be the safest route. Let's see. Huh. There's foam inside. Oh yeah. Put that free. Seems to be safe so far. There's enough packaging in this package that I can actually cut it open. Oh, she's putting up a fight. Come on out. I think I need more cutting. Ooh. Nope. Damn it. What have we here? Ooh, alright. I'm excited about this part. This is the leather cover. Check it out. I'm sure this will look very handsome when it goes on the bars. Oh, there's hardware in here. Got a nice little bag of goodies for the Z3 here. Nuts, bolts, instructions, a little sticker from Hard Dog Fabrication. You do have to be careful with your knife because the finish on this, the powder coating or the paint for the roll bar is pretty thin, and you can scratch it pretty easy using a tool like this, so you do have to be careful. The sticker was not lying. Metal parts. I'm sure the instructions will tell us what to do with these, but these are nice and beefy. Put this over here. So here we have it, a Hard Dog roll bar built for a BMW Z3 with a harness bar and a crossbar for strength. We also have some foam padding, which hopefully will protect my soft head in case I do something stupid, which I will. And along with that, a black leather cover for the foam padding to add a little zhuzh. We've got brackets, and we've got hardware and instructions. There you have it. Oh look, I found even more goodies. What is this? Oh, it's More foam. Be very careful when you're unwrapping this because they've wrapped it really well, and you don't want to be throwing out parts that they gave you. That would be silly. More foam. So here it is. It's finally arrived. It took about a little less than a month from ordering to reach my doorstep, but I'm really happy with this. This is gorgeous. It might take a little time for me to actually install this on the Roadster. Number one, I have to remove a number of body panels around the existing roll hoops, and I don't want to do that when it's too cold because those are plastic materials. They are older than 20 years at this point, and they are quite brittle when they're cold. So I'm going to wait for the temperature to come up a little bit, maybe preheat the garage. Something else I'm going to have to watch out for is that this roll hoop supposedly is not compatible with Z3s that have the automated soft top retraction mechanism. But I have been told that I might be able to grind and or cut a few pieces off to actually make it fit. We'll see. But yeah, I'm hoping I can pop this on the car in maybe a month, so hopefully there'll be a follow-up video where everything just goes fantastic with no trouble at all.
You are going to f*** up again in the future, quite possibly in the most spectacular fashion.
Anyway, that's all for now. I want to thank you for watching, and we'll see you down the road. Nope. Damn it.